Hello everybody, my name's Tahina, and today I will be unboxing or unbagging my Ipsy Glam bag for the month of July. I did get 2 add-ons, so I'm just going to show you the add-ons first. The first add-on I got is this Hemp's Crystal and Quartz Body Moisturizer. And I don't know if you can see it or not, but there's little sparklies inside there. I didn't know this because I bought this because I believe I got one in one of my bags. I can't remember which bag it was. But as soon as my fiance seen it, he grabbed it and used it up. So I wanted to get this, but I didn't know sparklies was in here, so I might have to use this one and get a different one for him. And then the other thing that I got was this Ciate London Watermelon Burst Hydrating Lip Oil. I hate when they don't totally fill it up. But I got this because I've been having issues with my lips. And I'm looking for something to help it. And it does smell like watermelon. So I've been waiting to get this in my Ipsy, but I haven't, so I just decided to put this in there. Okay, so on to the bag. Sadly, I was one of the people that actually got an email saying that they weren't going to get this month's bag. It's April's bag, and this bag is messed up right here. But I already have April's bag, which sucks, because I wish they'd because I'm sure there's other bags. I wish they would check to see which bag you didn't have, and then gave you a bag you didn't have. You know, like I didn't do last September's or October or November. It would have been nice if I got one of those bags, but nonetheless, I don't know. They didn't have enough bags for some reason, even though I've seen people where they do 3 Ipsy bags and got all 3 bags. You know, the July bags. And it's like, well, you could have gave them 1 bag, and then, you know, that would have been for 2 other people that didn't get the bag. But whatever. Anyway, so for this month it is Take a Break. And does it show what I got? No. I think it's not going to show what you got anymore. I think they stopped doing that, because it's been like that the last couple months. Okay, so this item I actually picked. And this is by It Cosmetics, the Brow Power. And it says #1 best selling. We'll see. And I got it in the shade, what's the shade? Universal Taupe, which is usually the case. So am I doing it wrong? Okay, so here's this side is the little brush. I don't know which one that went to. Oh, okay, here we go. And then, let's see. It's very hard to get it on here, which I don't like. That's why I keep looking for a brow pencil that's good, to where it's not too light, too dark, you know, just right. I don't know, maybe that was just because it's, you know, the first time. So hopefully this will work. Okay, so the next item I received is a Luxie Brush. I always get these. Every time there's a Luxie Brush in here, I always get it. I don't know why. I said I don't mind brushes, but I prefer to have makeup instead of brushes, but, you know. So this is the Luxie 205 Pack and Shade. Okay, so it's very soft, and it does have that little scorch, or whatever you want to call it. So, I will try it. I will use the brushes, so I'm not totally mad at it. Okay, the next item I got is from Glow for a Cause. I guess, never heard of them. And this is, I guess, a lip balm in Flirt. I don't know if that's the color. Oh, okay, yeah. Oh, twist. Okay, so I'm not really mad at this because of my lips either. So, oh, it's really, wow. It's super duper soft. It's not hard at all. Or maybe it's melted. I don't know. But it's very creamy. How does it smell? It's got a lip balm smell. It's not very much. Oh, and I forgot to say, this I don't know, I can't put my finger on it, but to me, it smells like pineapples. I forgot to mention that. Okay, so the next item I received is from Stephanie Botanicals. I don't know if I'm saying that right. I don't know, my words, like, I can't pronounce anything. What is this? Let's see. Sorry if you hear that in the background. My cat's eating. What the hell is this? Okay, this is vegan. And I seen what I was getting, but I seen it so long ago. I can't remember. What is this? Okay. Daisy and Pearl. Oh, Stephanie. What did I say? I said Stephanie, didn't I? Okay. Natural. Okay. Let's see. Is this a highlighter? Oh, okay. Yeah, I guess it is. Hopefully you can see that. Because it doesn't say on here at all. Like, natural booster, I guess. Or maybe it's a, can't think of the word. I don't know. I can't think of the word. Okay, and then the last item that I received is this Mud Masky Facial Detox Purifying Recovery Mask. Pore refining, hydrating, anti-age, brightening, and smoothing. Okay, wash your face and hands. Apply a thin layer to your face. Leave the mask on for 7 to 11 minutes and experience a slight tingling sensation. Remove mask with cold water. Use once or twice a week. Okay, I'll definitely try this out. I don't really like masks like this. Like, I like sheet masks better, but I will give it a try. Okay, it needs to be like shook and stuff. It's kind of like oiling out. Okay, so that's everything that I got in my bag. I'm not mad about this bag. This bag's okay. I'm mad that I didn't get the July bag, but now I have to purchase it from somebody. But let me know what you guys got in your bag, and I will see you next time. Bye.